How are you guys? Today I'm doing 2017 Grand Cherokee. I'm doing a rusted hood. In my previous videos I did this before. You can see the rust. On this thing I'm gonna paint the whole hood. I already wrapped everything up. Got the Jeep side taped up. We got one bubble here too, if you can see, and some bubbles here, rusted. So it's something weird. It's brand new car and it has already rust on it. So I don't know if it's the factory thing or it's the salt. I don't think it's the salt, but right on the hood it has a problem with hoods. I did those hoods maybe 5 or 10 already, like what, in 2-3 months. We're gonna grind it down right now and bundle, and I'll show you how it came out. Stay tuned, guys. Got my setup here, little setup right there, bam bam. I sold my truck because it was no good already. I got this Altima for now. I need to get a truck, and let's see how it goes. Everything already sanded down, primed everything, tag ragged the whole hood. Nice and clean. And got ready my gun right here set up. Paint. I'll show you how I do it. From left to right. From left to right. From right to left. Nice and easy. Slowly. Like that. Just like that. If somebody doesn't know how to paint, you have to look at this video and bear with me, and like that. You don't have to squeeze on that throttle very hard. No, nice and easy. It's gonna dry good, and you're not gonna have runs. Your paint's gonna be very nice and smooth, just like that. Let's go to this side. Nice and easy, guys, nice and easy. Be gentle. You have to be gentle, like with a woman, you know what I'm saying? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Very good. And one more spot. Then we're gonna go again. So we have to do like 3 times. 3-4 times. Just like that. On a paint job, guys, you never have to rush. You know? You have to take it easy and nice, because this is the finish work, and this is your main goal, to do it the best way you can do, you know what I'm saying, on a finish job. Maybe not really on that bundle, but on a paint and clear coat, sure, that's you have to do that very, very nice. Just like that. Just like that. Leave it a little bit for maybe 3 minutes, and we'll go again. Gonna do one more time, guys, and it's gonna be a little bit farther, and like this, a little bit farther on the edges, so everything blends in very nice. Just like that. Perfect. 10 more minutes and we're gonna get ready to shoot back clear. Alright. Alright guys, now I'm gonna show you how I clear. I'm gonna do it 2 times. That's the first time. We'll wait 5 minutes, then we're gonna shoot second time. Second time, guys. Dos, second time. Let's go.